64 conditions, whereas the 2003 could support only 7 conditions. So that way it is an advantage. But if I have a huge database with lot of columns, then that case it is a limitation also, because here we are having just 4 or 5 columns or 8 columns maximum. But there might be a database where lot of columns are there. Your Excel is supporting 16,000 columns. So out of that I can have 100 columns also. So in that case that will be a limitation here. And it becomes very complex in terms of your syntax also, because you might not be using directly an if statement, nested if. You might have an and or anything in between. So in that case it becomes very complex in that scenario. So in this case what we will do is we will see what other option can be taken up with this. So first we will see some examples on this, and then
One second.
Yes.
So you mean if inside an if is called a nested if?
yes, because
There
there
is
is a
nothing
function.
called a nested if separate
No,
formula.
nested if, the meaning of nested if is the if condition within another if.
Okay.
So you are having if condition nested in the other if condition,
Okay.
one within the other. So you can call it as a nested function. So earlier we had done one example in which I wanted to find the date difference. So date difference I had taken one cell as the birth date, another cell we had taken B1 where we had written today. Instead of writing B1, I could have easily written today also there.
Right.
So that becomes a nested function.
Okay.
So this is nested if, which is a nested function. One if within the other.